Please sit down. The film is about to begin. CRISPR. What even is that, you may ask? Well, come take a dive and I'll tell you. It stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. It's a gene editing technology that allows scientists to make precise changes to DNA, or rather known as molecular scissors. It's used to genetically modify organisms that controls muscle growth, cells, RNA, and DNA. Let Ryan explain it for you. Thanks, little me. This reminds me of UC Berkeley's procedure, where it involved wrapping the Cas9 editing proteins and guide RNAs in a membrane bubble that's been decorated with pieces of monoclonal antibodies that hone in on specific blood cells. What good would this do for farmers? Well, it is relatively cheap and easy to use. Farmers use 25% less feed because they don't need to eat as much to gain muscle mass. A great example is the only genetically modified fish in store. The Aquadvantage grows bigger than the average fish and eats 25% less than the non-transgenic. If you're an animal person like me, you think this is great for species that they can help fight diseases and possibly live longer. It could help animals or organisms on the endangered list, then this is great. But some of you may be wondering what this can do to help us human beings. I'm glad you asked. Scientists have developed vivo CRISPR screening, and it's just as important as any other experiments because it allows them to take inside the organism. So it allows scientists to directly see inside of specific organs and how they function against the bacteria or disease and how our body tries to fight it. With all this information, it could help us better understand and boost disease resistance in organisms, and eventually that disease will no longer be in an organism. If we keep reproducing that same gene to fight it, we won't be able to develop a cancer or a deadly bacteria inside of us. Thanks for explaining that for me, Ryan. Now, can I talk about one of my favorite topics with CRISPR? It's extinct species, and how researchers have been able to experiment with extinct animals as well as species going extinct and use their DNA to modify closely related species to recreate them. Let's not get too excited, little me. CRISPR isn't perfect yet, but someday it might be. Thank you so much for watching my video on CRISPR. Roll the credits, little me.